Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Jai Sri Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Shadi Gaura Bhaktivedanta. Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu Mangalam Garuda Mangalam Punarikaksha Mangalayatano Hari. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Thank you all. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji, Namaskar. Hare Krishna.
Namaskaram, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, pranams.
Hare Krishna. So shall we start the class? Hare Krishna. We shall start the class with Pranati Prabhuji's and Prabhuji and Mataji's. Jeez, yeah. Shravanananda Prabhuji is also there. So I'll just share the screen. And I've put the one I have added for the 10th chapter. I think 11th chapter ke liye I have added one.
Can you repin the Mangalacharan Pranati again, Mataji, in WhatsApp group?
What, Prabhuji?
Mangalacharan, can you?
Yeah, you can read. No, if you want, you can read.
She's done it, Prabhu. She's repinned it.
I put the. Oh, I didn't understand what you say.
Okay.
You pinned it, Mataji.
I pinned it. Yeah, I pinned it.
Yes.
One moment, Mataji. I have some water.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
I've shown shared on the screen also.
Yeah. One moment, Mataji. Just I have a little bit water and then again.
Hare Krishna.
Okay.
Krishna, Hare.
I got it.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjalasalakaya Chakshurmunnitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadhamayam Dadanti Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Gurum Shutapadakamalam Shri Gurum Shri Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanutam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Saha Gana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanushate Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpadrubhascha Kripa Sindhu Bhayavacha Patidanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Namo Brahmana Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagathitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Name Gauratishe Namaha. Guruve Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha. Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkripa Tam Ham Vande Paramananda Madhavam Shri Gurum Dinataranam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Pankajanaಭಾಯ Namah Pankajamaline Namah Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangraye Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashata Deshatarine Panchatatvakam Krishnam Bhakta Rupa Swarupakam Bhakta Avataram Bhakta Avataram Bhakyakhyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः हरि ओम तत्सत
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. So, welcome you all to Bhakti Shastri, module 2, and this is a second
module.
Second module.
Unit.
Second this now what I forgot the name.
Unit Mataji.
Second second unit, correct. The second class, the first batch is already second batch, yeah. So we are into that, and almost we are finished, 10th chapter we are finished. We all have written exams. I think one person is not written. I don't know the reason why. I didn't get now the form is closed, and whoever is not written, they can, we will try to, make an effort on the next batch. I mean, next module. So in the final module, you can write. I'll have to inform the temple, and accordingly you will be given, you will be given the permission. Okay, now we are in the 11th chapter, and you have already completed, I think, 12th chapter, no, Mataji? Till 12th, I think it is completed.
Till
So
13, Mataji. Shloka 13.
13, we have to start,
No, 14 we have to start, Mataji.
14
We
we
did
have to
till
start. Okay, 13 till 13 we have finished. So we will just go through only the meanings, only the translation part, just to, because it's after Saturday, Sunday. Well, Mataji is, she's very good in teaching. She's very knowledgeable also. So I know she must have done, I had actually asked her to do either revision or to go for 11th. She could complete both. I'm so happy about it. But she started with 11th also. So I was very happy. So anyway, we'll just go through once again. So the chapter 11, we know what 10th we have learned. About the 11th chapter is what? About the Krishna's opulence. He is asking, or Arjuna is asking about Krishna's opulence. He is saying as an audio, he's answering all Krishna's questions, Arjuna's questions. Now he's still not satisfied. Arjuna is still not satisfied. He's asking more. Normally, even in our normal colloquial thing, in our normal day-to-day activities, once you take interest in one particular subject or one particular something, some topic, you will listen, you will ask, listen. Again, you want to have more of it, so you keep asking them. Just keep explaining more, So that way, Arjuna is so much interested in knowing about Krishna. He is asking to show him that opulence. First, he wanted to hear. Shrunvatam, first is Shrunoti. That is, is what? To hear. First, he was happy to hear. Now he wanted to see also, so that he can, remember a lot more. So he's asking Krishna to show him the universal form. So this chapter is about that only. So quickly we can finish. Let's see how it goes. So that text 1, Arjuna is asking, Arjuna said, by my hearing the instruction, what instruction Arjuna is giving, he's actually requesting. It is not an instruction, but he says like an instruction, because Krishna is like, Krishna is such a person, such a God. You just ask for it. Even if you don't ask, if you have something in mind, he will make it, he will see to it that it is done. Because you have that, because he's there within our heart. He knows this, our desire to have something. And what? That is not material opulences, not material things. Maybe material also he will give. Because he may think, oh, material, you want some money or, patavi, like, the post or position, and okay, I'll give. Then you face the consequence. Simple. So, but then he will see to it that spiritually, if you're inclined, spiritually, if you want more, definitely he will see that You grow up in that. So he's saying, Arjuna is saying, by my hearing the instruction, as if, Arjuna feels, I am instructing you to do that. I want to hear. So he feels, I have instructed and you have shown. It is actually, God is more happy to, serve us back. We are serving Lord, but he is more happy to serve us back. We should conclude that way. So by my hearing the instruction you have kindly given me about these most confidential spiritual subjects, my illusion has now been dispelled. Is it really true? Is it his illusion is gone? No. But as of now, he feels, oh, now, I'm very clear. Again, he will get doubt. Again, he will ask. 13 chapters about that. So he'll keep on asking till final. On the 18th chapter, he says, now everything is clear. I have no doubt at all. Till that time, he has such a bond, they have. He says here that, his illusion is gone. Agar illusion is such mein gaya hoga, the Bhagavad Gita would have got over now only. No. But he feels that way. So he's the most, you have explained to me all that, and now my illusion is gone. Then he says, oh, lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity, and have realized your inexhaustible glories. Now he has understood slowly about the appearance of things and disappearance. Disappearance, what? The death and everything. How the climate changes accordingly. People, not only people, everything. This dvandva we have learned, no? All the duality is there. So you have understood. But if it comes, it will go one day. So he has understood the appearance and disappearance. So we should not be bothered about that, because if it comes, it will one day, it has to go. And if it is gone, means not gone forever, it will again come. So it is just a process. And so every living entity comes and goes, appearance and disappearance, and I've realized your inexhaustible glories. And third one, when the third verse, he says, O greatest of personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, means what? 200 form, I'm actually seeing you in that actual position, though you're like this, but you're so superb, like, you are Aja and all that words we have learned, he's not unborn. He's so greatest, he's so pure, all that, he has said in the 10th chapter like that. So he's saying here, Eva Method, okay, I will not go through the verse and all, we'll just, because it will take some more time. Translation, we will just read. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position is what? Two-handed form. Because he is a person, so he has a two-handed form. As you have described yourself, now what? Because your opulence, you said you created that, this galaxy and everything, you're there in atom and everything you're seeing. Now I wish to see how you have entered in this cosmic manifestation. You're looking like a human, in a two-handed form, but then how can you create it? How you have done it? I want to see that form of yours. Arjuna has to just ask for it, and Krishna is ever ready to serve him back immediately. Why? Because he is a very good friend as well as a devotee. So anything, so this every shloka will tell us how to behave and how not to behave, how to be and how not to be. So here, the moral what we have to learn is just ask, and now ask means just have a feel, I want to do more of service. I want to do more of, in the bhakti. Krishna will see to it that it is done. He will always see us that the path is cleared and you're going up the ladder. So he is asking to see the form of Lord Krishna. Which form? That full, that, what is that?
Virat.
Yeah, Virat. That's why we say, Virat Purusha. So Virat form, he wanted to see. If you think this is the most important verse, I always feel, we can always ask something. People have a habit of asking something, whether they deserve or no, they ask. But Lord knows what to give and what not to give. Still, if we insist on asking, मुझे चाहिए, small kids and all, they, they जिद पकड़ के, they always wanted something, means they have decided something चाहिए तो चाहिए. If a small child doesn't want, he wants ice cream and all, nahi baba, it is not good. Your throat will get choked and or what, you will get fever or whatever, the parents will guide them. But then they are so adamant, they really want, others, they'll do tantrums. Finally, what the parents will like, jane do, just give them and let him face the music. Possibly, they may fall sick or they may not fall also, sick also. But then here, Arjuna is so very wise. He's saying, if you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, that prayer we should always have. We can ask for anything, but then you should always add a clause saying that if you feel I know I'm capable of that, if I deserve it, then you give me, otherwise don't. So that's really very nice of him to ask of this. if you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, oh my Lord, oh Master of all, mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal form. So this is what we have to learn in our life. We can, first of all, you should not ask. In case we are not that very super, this Mahatmas and all. So small sees, at least good health, to remember you, just give me good health, morning, let me have a normal life so that I can, think of you. I can do my 16 rounds, at least for 16 rounds, don't give me any bada, no obstacles. Let me do my day-to-day duties. Let me get up early morning and see your form, all that normal things, let me offer you something. The normal, whatever we do, we can ask for that, not a big thing. But then, if you really want to ask something more, you should always think like, if you are really capable of it, if we are capable, definitely God will give. Still, Arjuna is asking, if you think I'm able to behold your cosmic form, oh my Lord, oh Master of all, mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal form. Then Bhagavan answers. See what he says? The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjuna, oh son of Pritha, see now my opinion. Immediate, he didn't even think, oh, is it? So let me think whether you're worth it or no. He never think like that. A devotee asks something, he will definitely do. A devotee thinks of wanting something, especially the spiritual things and all, he will definitely see to it that they get it. So, son of Pritha, see now my opulence, hundreds of thousands of very divine and multicolored form. He will start showing his different colored and very varieties of his forms, and there's hands and legs, everything will come now. Hundreds and thousands of forms he will start showing. Then, oh, best of the Bharatas, he's telling Arjuna, continuing, see here the different manifestations of Adityas. How many Adityas we have learned earlier also? There are 12 Adityas. There's only one sun. Aditya means sun. But the name of each month, because each month, because of the tilting of the earth and, the earth rotates, you feel the sun is, rising and setting. But then each, like last month where we saw the sunrise, this one, it will not be happening in the same place. It will just move either Uttarayan or Dakshinayan. It will keep, shuttling that way. So each position has one form. So Adityas, 12 Adityas versus 11 versus Rudras, Ashwini Kumaras, and all of the demigods. See everything in me. Now you can find all these things in me, all these people in me, and all of the demigods also. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has seen or heard of before. Nobody had asked me to show the universal form, but now since you have asked me and you're a devotee, it's all understood like that. And no one has seen it before, and now since you have asked for it, now you can see. Nobody has seen or heard before, but since now you have asked for it, I will show you everything. He's saying that. Then he says, "Oh Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, says you wish for it, I just want to see something. You will find it in my, that universal form. You can see in that. Oh Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, behold at once in this body of mine. This universal form can show you whatever you now desire to see and whatever you may want to see in the future also. Abhi theek hai, but after 10 years, what will happen to this person or what will happen and all, that is also visible. Everything, because Lord knows past, present, future, everything is destined. So everything, moving, non-moving, is here completely in one place. He's explaining all his universal form. Yeah. And then he says, but you cannot see me with your present eyes. So for that, what he needs that, bachon ko dete na, that what 3D goggles are given. So for him, what is given? Chakshu, Divya Chakshu is given. So you cannot see with this present eyes. Therefore, I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence. So he's saying, Yoga Maishwaryam, Divyam Dadami Te Chakshu. I'm giving you that Chakshu. Chakshu means what? Eyes. I will give you that Chakshu. Eyes with which, through which you can see my universal form. Now what? Sanjaya, he's there, no? Every now and then behind the screen, what happens, Sanjaya is actually explaining all this to Dhritarashtra. So he's saying, Sanjaya is saying, Sanjaya said, O king, having spoken thus, the Supreme Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. He will just show. It is all been now. It is a video thing. Earlier, last chapter was about audio. Now he is going to show everything like in video. How you see everything in the picture form. So Arjuna is able to see the universal form of Krishna. Then 10 and 11. So this is all important shlokas. Mataji would have taken such a nice shlokas. No, they are all Then Arjuna saw what? Aneka netram, all that. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, unlimited wonderful visions. The form was decorated with many celestial ornaments, different ornament. Rama matlab kuch alag ornament, that alag weapon, different weapons, all this he's saying. So celestial ornaments and bore many divine upraised weapons. Each form has got a different weapon. He wore celestial garments. Each form has got a different garlands. And many divine scents were smeared over his body. Kushbu. All was wondrous, brilliant, unlimited, and all expanding. Can you imagine how wonderful it would have been? But then what happens? Then he's still continuing. If hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into the sky, one sun, only early morning sunrise, we can see. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it will be above our head. Can we see the sun? No, it will be so bright. But then such suns, hundreds and thousands of suns, if they were to rise and at once into the sky, their radiance might resemble the effulgence of the Supreme Person in that universal. It may, because God's universal form is so very brighter than hundreds and thousands of suns. That way it was very radiant and very bright. Then what? He says, at that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansion of the universe situated in one place. Krishna is there, but in that only so many expansions, either, everywhere he is able to see. There's no limit. There's no start. There's no end. Everything will come now. The unlimited expansion of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many thousands. You can actually see how it would have been, how Arjuna would be so very happy, and not only happy, he was bewildered also. Then what he says, then bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end. Suddenly he didn't even think twice, we just asked for it. Yes, see everything you wanted it to see. He was so thrilled to see his hair standing on end, goosebumps, we say, that. Arjuna bowed his head to offer obeisances with folded hands, began to pray to the Supreme Lord. It's very much scared also. He was very much, this bewildered, astonished, and he started praying to Lord. Now what he says, 13. Oh, we have already, today for 14 we have to start, no? Mataji said, yeah.
14 sloka, Arjuna bowed down to Krishna.
Yeah, from 14 we have to start.
Yes.
So I will go to
Point
this.
12, Param, this
Yes.
beautiful sloka, Parabrahma Param Dhama.
Param Brahma.
2.7, he was surrender.
Yes,
in 7.14, he bowed down.
Yes. So yeah, 14 we have to start. Yes. You are starting, or who's starting? People can raise hand. Students can raise hand.
In this sloka, Mataji.
You want to read sloka, please?
Yeah. 14 kada? Yes.
14.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Tatassa Vishvamay Vishto Hrista Roma Dhanjaya Pranamya Sirasa Devam Kritagnair Abhasata.
Anjali means salutation.
Offering. Then bewildered and astonished, his hair standing.
You read translation. Don't want to read this, Prabhuji? Synonyms you're not interested in?
Yeah.
Up to you. There's no force. I personally feel synonyms are better,
Yes, it's better, but it take longer time. Okay. Tata, thereafter, sa, he, Vishmaya, Avishtaha, being overwhelmed with wonder, Rishta Roma, with bodily hair standing on end due to his great ecstasy. Dhananjaya, Arjuna pranamya, offering obeisance, Sirasa, with head, Devam, to Supreme Personality of Godhead, Kritagna Anjali, with folded hands, Abhasata, began to speak. Translation, His Divine Grace, Prabhupada ki jai. Then bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end Arjuna bowed his head to offer obeisances and with folded hands began to pray to the Supreme Lord. Purport also, Mataji?
Yes, purport.
Okay. Once the divine vision is revealed, this relationship between Krishna and Arjuna changes immediately. Before, Krishna and Arjuna had a relationship based on friendship, but here, after the revelation, Arjuna is offering obeisances with great respect, and with folded hands he is praying to Krishna. He is praising the universal form. Thus, Arjuna's relationship become one of wonder rather than friendship. Great devotees see Krishna as the reservoir of all relationship. In the scriptures, there are 12 basic kinds of relationship mentioned. All of them are present in Krishna. It is said that he is the ocean of all the relationship exchanged between two living entities, between the God or between the Supreme Lord and his devotee. Here, Arjuna was inspired by the relationship of wonder, and in that wonder, although he was by nature very sober, calm, and quiet, he became ecstatic. His hair stood up, and he began to offer his obeisances unto Supreme Lord with folded hands. He was not, of course, afraid. He was affected by the wonder of the Supreme Lord. The immediate context is wonder. His natural, loving friendship was overwhelmed by wonder, and thus he reacted in this way. Hare Krishna.
So, what was his reaction? He was scared or something. Yeah, he was suddenly a two-handed form became such a big, form, with so many hands and legs and faces and mouth and all. So he was little, but he was inspired by the relation of wonder. He was actually wondering suddenly how Krishna with two-handed form has become so this universal form. Yeah. So what else? It can be nothing is there, no, in this. Yeah, so earlier what? Earlier his relation was like a friend. He was happy like that. But now since he wanted it, you ask for it, no, take it. Krishna is very happy to give us, whatever we ask for. So, he was first wondering, like, how big he has been. So earlier his relationship was like friends, like Arjuna and Krishna were friends. Like now that relation is changed, right? Because no more Krishna is no more a two-handed form person. He's become a like universal form is showing. So he was little wondering seeing all this. Yeah. Anything else you wanted to highlight, Prabhuji?
No, Mataji, it is enough.
Nothing to be explained. Yeah. You have to keep on reading that because now all his forms will be explained. That's all.
Yeah, it's all about opulences, full of glories.
Yes. Now text 15. Yeah. Navya Mataji, Hare Krishna.
But 14, text 14 is, but Arjuna was bowed down to Krishna. This is
Yeah. No, that he was there already. He has already surrendered.
Yes, he was already surrendered. But for in sloka wise, we can note it down. 14th sloka, Arjuna was officially bowed down.
Yes.
Accepted as he was a supreme lord again.
Yes. Yeah, 15th. Navya Mataji, Hare Krishna, you're there? Yeah, please.
Yes, Mataji.
You want help?
Yes, Mataji.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Pashyami devans tava deva dehe. This is a different meter. Because both sara words रहेगा तो it has a different tune. Pashyami devans tava deva dehe.
Pashyami devas tava deva dehe.
Sarvamstata bhuta visesha sangan.
Sarvamstata bhuta visesha sangam.
Brahmanamisham kamalasanastam.
Brahmanimisham kamalasta
sanastam, that
sanastam.
Rishim cha sarvanuragamsha ragamsha devyan. Rishim cha sarvanu anuraga, actually it should come anuraga. Rishim cha sarva anuraganscha divyan.
Rishim cha anura
Rishim cha sarva.
Rishvim cha sarvanuраgamscha divyan.
Hari bol, very
Hare
nice.
Krishna.
Arjuna.
Synonyms by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Arjuna vacha. Arjuna said, Pashyami, I see. Devan, all the demigods. Tava, you are. Deva, O Lord. Dehi, in the body. Sarvan, all. Tata, also. Bhuta, living entities. Visesa, Sangan, specially assembled.
Specifically.
Brahmanam, Lord Brahma. Isam, Lord Shiva. Kamala, Asanas Tatam. Kamala Asanas Tam. Sitting on the lotus flower. Rishin, great sages. Cha, also. Shravan, all.
Sarvan.
All. Ugran,
Uragan.
Uragan, serpents. Sha, also. Divyan, divine. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Arjuna said, My dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower, as well as Lord Shiva and all the sages are and divine serpents. Purport. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Arjuna sees everything in the universe. Therefore, he sees Brahma, who is the first creature in the universe, and the celestial serpents upon which the Garbhodaka Shai Vishnu lies in the lower region of the universe. This snake bed is called Vasuki. There are also other snakes known as Vasuki. Arjuna can see from the Garbhodaka Shai Vishnu up to the topmost part of the universe on the lotus flower planet where Brahma, the first creature of the universe, resides. That means that from the beginning to end, every everything could be seen by Arjuna, who was sitting in the one place on his chariot. This was possible by the grace
Grace of Supreme
of
Lord.
the Supreme Lord Krishna.
Hari bol. So everything happens only with, Lord's grace only. So Lord has graced him with divine eyes, divine chakshuhu. That's why he was able to see. But then the first thing what? Because Arjuna wanted it, that we should always remember that you should have that willingness, to have anything, a progress in our spiritual life. We should have some willingness, then we should show some effort, then definitely God will help us in achieving it. So now what all he saw? Garbhodaka Vishnu lying in that serpent. And then from where? From Garbhodaka Vishnu's navel, that lotus stem comes, and who he is able to see? Brahma. Brahmaji is sitting on the top of it. So he's able to see the topmost Brahmaji's loka till the lowest. Everything is able to see. Garbhodaka Vishnu, everything that each this universe comes from Karanodavashai Vishnu. In that each universe, Garbhodavashai he is able to see. In that Garbhodavashai Vishnu's from navel, that lotus comes, and the topmost lotus he is able to see Brahmaji also. The first creature of the universe he is able to see. So that means from the beginning to the end, everything is able to see. Yeah, then 16, we'll give small shlokas, no? So we can repeat also. Yeah, Rohini Mataji, your turn.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Anekabahudara Netram Pashyami Tvam Sarvato Nantarupam Nantam Namadhyam Nantam Namadhyam
Antam. It is Nantam is what? Na Antam. Na Antam is Na Antam itself. We can say Na Antam, Na Madhyam, Na Punastavadim.
Tavadim Pashyami Vishveshwara Vishwarupa.
Oh, nice.
Word to word, Aneka, many, Bahu, arms, Udara, bellies, Vaktra, mouths, Netram, eyes, Pashyami, I see, Tvam, you, Sarvata, on all sides, Anantarupam, unlimited form, Na Antam, no end, Na Madhyam, no middle, Na Punha, nor again, Tava, your, Adim, beginning, Pashyami, I see. Vishva Ishvara, O Lord of the universe, Vishwarupa, in the form of the universe. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O Lord of the universe, O universal form, I see in your body many, many arms, bellies, mouths, and eyes, expanded everywhere, without limit. I see in you no end, no middle, and no beginning. Purport: Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and is unlimited. Thus, through him, everything could be seen. Hare Krishna.
Everything. Now, there's now no explanation, only that he is able to see. That has been given here. Can continue with 17 also, Mataji.
किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रिनं च तेजो राशिं सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तं पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्षं समन्तात् दीप्तानलर्का द्युतिम् अप्रमेयम्. Word to word: Kiritinam with helmets, Gadinam with maces, Chakrinam with disc, and Teja Rashim, effulgence, Sarvatha on all sides, Diptimantam, glowing, Pashyami, I see. Tvam, you, Durniriksham, difficult to see, Samantat, everywhere, Dipta Anala, Dipta Anala, blazing fire, Arka, of the sun, Dyutim, the sunshine, Aprameyam, immeasurable. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Your form is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence spreading on all sides, like blazing fire or the immeasurable radiance of the sun. Yet, I see this glowing form everywhere, adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs.
Haribol. So, the form itself is what? It is already said earlier also. Thousands and hundreds and thousands of sun when it glows, when it rises, how it will be the effulgence. So it can match. It's not equal. We can match, but then it is so very effulgent. And you can also see various crowns, clubs. Oh, Kiritinam. Kiritinam is what? Crowns and clubs and this and all. Yeah, Kirtana Mataji, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Kirtana Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji. Can you keep your video on? Now we have come to 11th chapter. Even now, if you are not able to, okay, if you are comfortable. Should always be ready with the tilak. Read, Mataji.
Tvamaksharam paramam veditavyam tvamasya visvasya param nidhanam tvam avyaya shashvata dharma gupta sanatanastvam purusho matome.
Haribol.
Tvam
Mataji,
you.
after this Bhakti Shastri, if you are given a class to take, how will you do? You'll keep your this video off and you can take. If you're comfortable that way, you can take that also. The students will not get that one-to-one relation. So you should always try to, keep your video on. Okay, always in the class. Sometimes you're not comfortable, okay, but not make it a practice of, I'm not comfortable. I feel very, ashamed or feeling shy, or just come out of all that apprehensions. Okay, Matajis? Everybody, I'm not pinpointing one person.
Actually, it's not about comfort, Mataji. At my home, they're not so supportive. So without their knowledge, I do all this.
Okay.
So I use my headphones or earphones, and I'll keep my phone aside.
Okay.
And just for 5 minutes, when I'll try to read it.
Okay.
So that's the reason I don't turn on.
No problem. Yeah. Yes.
Tvam, you, Aksharam, the infallible, Paramam, supreme, Veditavyam, to be understood. Tvam, you, Asya, of this Visvasya universe. Param, supreme, Nidhanam, basis. Tvam, you, Avyaya, inexhaustible. Saswata Dharma Gupta, maintainer of the eternal religion. Sanatanaha, eternal. Tvam, you, Purushaha, the supreme personality. Matame, this is my opinion. Translation by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the ultimate resting place of all this universe. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of the eternal religion, the personality of Godhead. This is my opinion.
Because already he has said this, all this, Param Brahma, Param Dhamma is already said. Again, he's repeating the same thing because he's unable to control that, You're so very, divine and what, primeval, the oldest, like that he's saying. Yeah, one more take it. We can take Mataji.
Yeah.
Anadi Madhya.
Anadi Madhyantam Ananta Vidyam Ananta Bahum Sasi Surya Netram Pasyami Tvam Deepta Hutasa Vaktram Swatejasa Viswamidam Tapantam. Anadi without beginning, Madhya middle, Antam or end, Ananta unlimited, Viryam glorious, Ananta unlimited, Bahum arms, Sasi the moon, Surya the sun, Netram eyes, Pasyami I see, Tvam you, Deepta blazing, Hutasa Vaktram fire coming out of your mouth, Swatejasa by your radiance, Viswam universe, Idam this, Tapantam heating. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki Jai. You are without origin, middle or end. Your glory is unlimited. You have numberless arms, and the sun and moon are your eyes. I see you with blazing fire coming forth from your mouth, burning this entire universe by your own radiance. There is no limit to the extent of the six opulences of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Here and in many other places, there is a repetition, but according to the scriptures, repetition of the glories of Krishna is not literary weakness. It is said that at time of bewilderment or wonder or of great ecstasy, statements are repeated over and over. That is not a flaw.
So, definitely it is not a flaw. We can make out, but then his Arjuna's feeling, how much he's praising the Lord, how much he's feeling from within, how great the Lord is. That's what he's explaining. So it's not a flaw. Even in this our poem and all, you can say feel, you can read, many words are repeated. It is not out of mistake or anything. It is a repetition just to give more importance to this word, and it has a lot of meaning into it. Yeah, who else? Hare Krishna. Those who are quiet. Manjula Mataji and Biju Prabhuji are traveling, so they won't join. Prasanna Chitta Prabhuji and Shavanananda Prabhuji. Vamshidhar Prabhuji again, then Sanju Mataji. Yeah, Sanju Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Shavanananda Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Dandavat.
You are able to read?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Are you driving? Then don't read.
Just now completed drive.
Yeah, please.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 28th verse.
Yeah. Yava Prativyoridhamantaram Yi. You want help, Prabhuji? I think network is weak.
Oh, with no, I will try, Mataji. I will try, Mataji.
Yeah.
Yava Prativyoridham antaram hi vyaptam svayikena dishascha sarvaha drishtva adbhutam rupam ugram tavedam lokatrayam pravyatitam mahatman.
Haribol.
Synonyms. Dyav from outer space. Aprithviyo to the earth. Idam this.
Antaram between. Some network problem, I think. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Is it problem from my end or?
Terrible. Tava, your. Idam, this loka, the planetary systems. Trayam, 3. Pravyatitam, perturbed. Mahatman, oh great one. Translation and purport given by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Dyava
This translation.
Oh, sorry. Although you are one, you spread throughout the sky and the planets and all space between. Oh, great one! Seeing this, wondrous and terrible form. All the planetary systems are perturbed. So, perpet. Dyava Prithviyo. The space between the heaven and earth and Lokatrayam. The three worlds are significant words in this verse because it appears that not only did Arjuna see this universal form of the Lord, but others in other planetary systems saw it also. Arjuna's seeing of the universal form not a dream. All whom the Lord endowed with divine vision saw the universal form on the battlefield.
So whoever is endowed with divine vision, there are many people, no? In the battlefield, he is showing his universal form. So always there is a question, among the students and all, they ask, how many people saw universal form? Only with people who have divine eyes, only they can see. Others will not be able to see what is happening. They will only see Arjuna and Krishna talking. What are they talking? They will not even know. But then he is able to show all his opulence and all his, divine forms. Only Arjuna could see. And it seems, Hanuman also could see because he was there in that flag. So I heard that also, but it is not mentioned anywhere. So this is only people when Acharya say, I just heard it because he was there because he was also a great devotee, right? This one, Hanuman. So he also saw the opulence of Krishna. Yeah, so this is, and what else? The space between earth and heaven and the Lokatrayam, all the three worlds, everything is able to, three worlds means the upper, lower, and the middle. Everything is able to see. Arjuna was able to see because and all whom the Lord endowed with divine vision. Yampe to only Arjuna, he's given Arjuna the divine vision, so he was able to see. They are all able to see the universal form. Yeah. You can, are you comfortable taking one more, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji.
Take.
Thank you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Amihi Tvam Surasanga Vishanti Kechid Bitaha Pranjalayo Grinanti Swastiti Uktva Maharshi Siddha Sangaha Stuvanti Tvam Stutibihi Pushkalabihi. Synonyms. Ami, all those, he certainly. Tvam, you. Sura Sangaha, group of demigods, Vishanti, are entering. Kechit, some of them. Bitaha, out of fear. Pranalaya, with folded hands. Grinanti, are offering prayers. Swasti, all peace. Iti, thus, Uktva, speaking Maharshi, great sages. Siddha Sangaha, perfect beings. Stuvanti, are singing hymns. Tvam, unto you. Stutibihi, with prayers. Pushkalabaha, labihi, Vedic hymns. Translation, all the hosts of demigods. Translation purport given by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All the hosts of the demigods are surrendering before you and entering into you. Some of them, very much afraid, are offering prayers with folded hands. Hosts of great sages and perfected beings, crying, all peace, are praying to you by singing the Vedic hymns. Purport, the demigods in all the planetary systems feared the terrific manifestation of the universal form and its glaring effulgence, and so prayed for protection.
So what is shown here? Demigods, even they could see.
Yes, that is what I'm thinking, Mataji. I'm thinking. Demigods also.
Yes, Prabhuji, continue.
I'm asking Mataji, like demigods, and demigods are also seeing Mataji universal form.
Yeah, that is, from this we can make out even they are, but then what they are able to see, the terrific manifestation, and they got scared, and they are scared of that, and they're asking for this protection. So they prayed for, suddenly what happened to the Lord, he's come with so many forms, so they're all bewildered, and they were praying for protection. So normally we read earlier also, like people who are in this, demigods and all, they're not scared of the Lord. Whereas the atheist and all that, when they see such form of the Lord, they are scared because what will happen to us? That sort of a fear comes. Normally, it is given elsewhere, like the demigods are not scared, but after seeing the universal form, they got bewildered. That's why they are a little scared and they were asking for protection. Yes, I think Kirtana Mataji, Hare Krishna. Whoever is ready for can raise hand and can read. Kirtana Mataji, are you ready? Okay. Rohini Mataji can take.
Text 22. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Rudraditya Vasavo Ye Cha Sadhya. Vishveshvinau Marutaschoshma Pascha. Gandharva Yaksha Surasiddha Sangha. Vikshante Tvam Vismitaschaiva Sarve. Word to word, Rudra, manifestations of Lord Shiva, Aditya, the Adityas, Vasava, the Vasus, Ye, all those, Cha, and Sadhyah, the Sadhyas, Vishve, the Vishve Devas, Ashvinau, the Ashwini Kumaras, Maruta, the Maruts, Cha, and Ushmapa, the forefathers, Cha, and Gandharva of the Gandharvas, Yaksha, the Yakshas, Asura, the demons, Siddha, and the perfect demigod, Sangha, the assemblies, Vikshante, are beholding, Tvam, you, Vismita, in wonder, Cha, also, Eva, certainly, Sarve, all. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All the various manifestations of Lord Shiva, the Adityas, the Vasus, the Sadhyas, the Vishve Devas, the two
Ashwini Kumaraka. Ashvis.
Ashvis, it's written here. Okay,
Yeah,
two
yeah,
Ashvis.
Ashwini Kumara.
Okay, the two Ashvis, the Maruts, the forefathers, the Gandharvas, the Yakshas, the Asuras, and the perfect demigods are beholding you in wonder.
All are able to see. We all are there in his manifestation and they're all beholding you in wonder. Yes, you can take one more, Mataji.
Text 23. Rupam mahatte bahuvaktra netram mahabahu bahurupadam bahurupam bahurupa adam bahudaram bahudamshtra karalam drishtva loka pravyatithastathaham. Word to word, Rupam, the form, Mahat, very great, Te, of you, Bahu, many, Vaktra, faces, Netram, and eyes, Mahabahu, O mighty arm, Bahu, many, Bahu, arms, Uru, things.
Thighs.
Thighs, sorry. Uru, thighs. Padam, and legs, Bahu, Udaram, many bellies, Bahu, Damshtra, many teeth, Karalam, Karalam, horrible. Drishtva, seeing. Loka, all the planets. Pravyatitha, perturb. Tatha, similarly. Aham, I. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form. With its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth, and as they are disturbed, so am I. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So they are all terribly disturbed because suddenly they are seeing the Lord in a different form. So they're all, they're all scared and they're all perturbed. And so am I. Even I am, not able to convince myself, like, this is the same Lord, who was there with the two-handed form. So he's also perturbed. Yes. Nothing to be explained. Navya Mataji, Hare Krishna. Kirtana Mataji had raised her, no? She's gone. Okay. Navya Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
You need help. Okay. Nabhasprisham deeptamanekavarnam.
Nabhaspatisham deepam
Sprisham. Deeptamanekavarnam.
Deeptamanekavarnam.
Vyatananam deepta vishalanetram.
Vyatananam deepta vishalanetram.
Drishtva hi tvam pravyati. I will split this. Drishtva hi tvam.
Drishva hi tvam.
Pravyatitantaratma.
Pravyatitantaratma.
Dhritim na vindami.
Dhritim na vindami.
Shamam cha Vishnu.
Shamam cha Vishnu. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Synonyms by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Sprasham. Okay. Sprisham. Touching the sky. Deeptam, glowing. Aneka, many. Varnam, colors. Vyakta open, Ananam mouth, Ananam mouth, Deepta glowing, Visala very great, Netram eyes, Drishtva seeing, he certainly, Tvam you, Pravyatita perturbed, Ananta within, Anta Anta within, Atma soul, Tritim steadiness, not, Vindami I have, Samam mental tranquility, Cha also, Vishnu, O Lord Vishnu. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O all providing Vishnu, see you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, your gasping mouth, and your great glowing eyes. My mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind.
So what? Starting May, he felt nice. He asked for it and he saw. He was wondering, oh God, such a big form. And then slowly what happened? Everybody is getting scared. Everybody is getting perturbed. So even I am also getting perturbed. So all pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, right from sky to the bottom, your gaping mouths, your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed now, what? He's fearing to see that because the same form forever he cannot accept. For a change of form, dikha, then you come back to your original form. He's perturbed with fear. Then I can no longer maintain my steadiness. First, in second chapter, he said, in the first chapter itself, he said, you remember when he saw the opposite side, his own people, because he is very great. He was a great, archer. One arrow, if he hit, then many people will die. It is sure, sure shot. So that's why he was perturbed. If I kill all my own people, how will I survive? What is the happiness? All that, perturbed. He was there in the first chapter also. He was like that. Same fear he's caught now. He's saying, oh, I can no longer maintain my steadiness. He's become weak. Mentally, he's become weak. He's become totally, tired and all that. Equally, he's not holding his equilibrium of mind also. Even my mind is perturbed. I'm unable to see you like that. Like that is, explaining his these emotions. Yeah. Now, one more you can take, Mataji. Damsha karalani chate mukhani.
Dashmastra karalani.
Mataji.
Okay. Damshra
karalani
cha
chate mukhani.
tate mukhani.
Chate mukhani.
Chate mukhani.
Term is and mukha means face. Drishtva kala nala sannibhani.
Drishtva kala na sannibhani.
Disho न जाने न लभे च शर्मा.
Diso na jane na labete cha sharma.
न लभे च शर्मा.
Na labe cha sharma.
प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास.
Prasida devesa jagannivasa. Synonyms by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Damshra teeth. Karalani. Tribal. Terrible. Cha also. Te your. Mukani faces. Drishtva seeing. Eva thus. Kala anala. The fire of death. Sannibhani as if. Disha the directions. Na not. Jane I know. Na not. Labe I obtain. Cha and Sharma grace. Prasida be pleased. Deva Isa, O Lord of all lords. Jagat Nivasa, O refuse you of the worlds. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O Lord of O Lord of lords, O refuse of the world, please be gracious to me. I can't keep my balance, seeing thus you are blazing death like faces and awful teeth in all direction. I am bewildered.
Bewildered. So he's saying what? You have just please, mercy, मुझे जरा दया करो, मेरे ऊपर दया करो, please be gracious to me and just keep you. I'm unable to keep my balance. My mind is not at equilibrium. He said, I cannot keep my balance seeing you in this blazing, death-like faces. One face is showing all that, fire is coming out one mouth. Actually, when this the PPT, it has a picture, all that universal form. Each form looks so different. So like that, faces, so many different faces. One from one face, what fire is coming out like, it's flowing. And awful teeth, so much of teeth is seen. In all directions, I'm bewildered. None of the form is, like sober, oh nice, like that. I'm unable to see that way. Everything is looking very terrible. I'm confused and I'm bewildered. Yeah, who's taking one more? 26, 27, continuous. Whoever free, otherwise I'll take for a change.
Yes, Mataji.
Rohini Mataji, please take. Whoever is raising hand,
Mataji, you can take if you...
I'll take for a change, okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Amichatvam Dhritarashtrasya putraha sarve sahaivavanipala sangaihi bhishmo drona suta putrasthatasau sahasmadiyairapi yodhamukyaihi Vaktrani te tvaramana vishanti damshakaralani bhayanakani Kechidvilagna dashanantareshu sandrishyante churnitairuttamagai. So here, Ami, these, cha, also, Tvam, you, Dhritarashtrasya, of the Dhritarashtra. All that, this is all preposition. The Sanskrit is very beautiful, Only Dhritarashtra is Dhritarashtra. Now, Dhritarashtrasya means of Dhritarashtra. We have two words like this, but then when you say Dhritarashtrasya means what? Of Dhritarashtra. What is that? Putraha. I can see the sons of Dhritarashtra Putra. What are they doing? You can see everybody in that, Krishna's form. Sarve all, saha, with what? Eva, indeed. Avanipala. Avani means, of warrior kings. Sangaihi, the groups. Bhishmaha, Bhishmadeva. Drona, Dronacharya. Sutaputra, Karna. Tatha, also, asau, that, saha, with. Asmadiyahi, our. Api, also. Yodhamukyahi, chiefs among the warriors. Vaktrani, mouths. Te, your. Tvaramanaha, rushing, Vishanti, horrible, he is able to see. Even their death also is able to see. After few days, what is going to happen? After few hours, after next moment, what is going to happen? Even that is being shown. Rushing, Vishanti are entering. Damshra, the teeth. Karalani, terrible. Bhayanakani. Naka, they say, very fearful. Kechit, some of them. Vilagnaha, becoming attached. Dashana antareshu, between the teeth, getting crushed, they're all getting crushed between the teeth. That's why it's given. Dashana antareshu, between the teeth. Sandrashyante, are seen. Churnitai, with smashed. Churna bolte na churni. They are all getting crushed in between the teeth. Uttamangaihi, heads. So all their heads are getting crushed. So translation and purport by Divine Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, no one is left out. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with whom? Their elite kings and Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and our chief soldiers also. None of them are, whoever is there on the opposite side, everybody is getting killed. You can see all that. But they're all rushing into your fearful mouths. And some I see trapped with the head smashed between your teeth. So next moment, what is going to happen? He is able to see even that. So purport, what Prabhupada says, in a previous verse, the Lord promised to show Arjuna things he would be very interested in seeing. Now, Arjuna says that the leaders of the opposite party, who are all there, big stalwarts, who Bhishma, Bhishmacharya, Dronacharya, Karna, and all the sons of Dhritarashtra, and their soldiers, and Arjuna's own soldier, are all being annihilated. Except for Pandavas, even Arjuna's side also, many people are getting killed. This is an indication that after the death of nearly all the persons assembled at Kurukshetra, Arjuna will emerge victorious. This is an indication. All these people are getting killed, but now he is not able to see whom? The Pandavas he is not able to see getting crushed or getting killed. So that itself shows that an indication to him that you will be the winner. Pandavas will be the winner. So Arjuna will emerge victorious. It is also mentioned here that Bhishma, who is supposed to be unconquerable, such a great person, he's unconquerable, even he is getting killed, will also be smashed. So also Karna. Not only will the great warriors of other party like Bhishma be smashed, but some of the great warriors of Arjuna's side also are getting killed. Yeah. Very nice, no? These are all. Yes, Hare Krishna. Now you can read Mataji, Rohini Mataji. I think you have raised hand. Yeah. Even Shravanananda is ready, I think.
Text 28. यथा नदीनां बहवो अम्बुवेगाः समुद्रमेवा एवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राणि अभिविज्वलन्ति. Word to word, yatha, as Nadinam of the rivers, Bahava, the many, Ambuvega, waves of the waters, Samudram, the ocean, Eva, certainly, Abhimukha, towards, Dravanti, glide, Tatha, similarly, Tava, your, Ami, all these, Naraloka Viraha, kings of human society, Vishanti, are entering, Vaktrani, the mouths, Abhivijvalanti, and are blazing. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. As the many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, so do all these great warriors enter blazing into your mouths. Hare Krishna.
Hari bol. Yeah, take one more. We'll do till 30, I think, no? 30, yeah, 30 tak kar lenge and then we'll stop.
Text 29. Text 29. Yatha pradiptam jwalanam patanga vishanti nashaya samriddha vegaha tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokas tavapi vaktrani samriddha vegaha. Word to word, yatha, as pradiptam, blazing, jwalanam, a fire, patanga, moths, vishanti, enter, nashaya, for destruction, samriddha, with full, vega, speed, tatha eva, similarly, nashaya, for destruction, vishanti, are entering, loka, all people, tava, your, api, also, vaktrani, mouths, samriddha vegaha, with full speed. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. I see all people rushing full speed into your mouths as moths dash to destruction in a blazing fire.
In the analogy is given about like of a moth. You can see, the street light and all that.
Yeah.
With the bright light, the moths are getting attracted. They have a limited, intelligence. So they feel that there's something very nice, red color, something they get attracted to by their eyes, So that is how it has been compared, People with less intelligence, they get attracted by seeing something, by hearing something, by tasting, by smelling. Their senses are given so much importance for them. I mean, everybody, we all give importance, but we should, as a devotee, we should know where to give our way. We should channelize our senses. So we know the differentiation, but for less intelligent people, for anything attractive, they feel that is good and they go. The same like moths. Moths get attracted towards that bright light. What happens? They get crushed, they get killed. So these people are also getting killed because we know what is the reason behind, all these people are getting killed. Some are, due to pride and all that, like the Dhritarashtra Putras, but others due to their inability to take a wise decision, like Bhishmacharya, Dronacharya and all that, they get killed because they're unable to take a wise decision when the proper this comes, decision making when that period comes, they were not able to take a wise decision, so they are also getting killed. Yeah, the last shloka of the day.
Sanju Mataji's.
Sanju Mataji has raised hand. Yeah, Mataji, read.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Video on. Okay, read.
I want to read.
No problem. Read.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
You want help, na Mataji?
Mataji, can I try?
You're trying or you want my help?
We'll try, Mataji.
Try.
Dili Yashi Grashamana.
I'll tell you. Grasamana Samantad.
Grashamana Samantal.
Lokan Samagran.
Lokan Samagran Vatini Jwaladbhihi Tejubhir Apurya Jagat Samagram भाषं तवोग्रह प्रतापन्ति विष्णो.
Hari bol. Synonyms.
Synonyms.
Lily
Lily, you are leaking. Grasam naha, devouring. Samantaha, from all direction, lokan, people. Samagran, all. Vadani, by the mouth. Jwala bhi, blazing. Tejo bhi, by effulgence. Apurva, covering Jagat, the universe.
Apurya covering.
Apurya, covering Jagat, the universe. Samagram, all. Bhashaha, race. Tava, your. Ugraha, terrible. Paratapnati, are scorching. Vishnu, O all-pervading Lord. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O Vishnu, I see you devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouths, covering all the universe with your effulgence. You are manifest with a terrible scorching rays.
Haribol. So he's seeing all that. Still, he's confused and he's scared, but he's still continuing to explain that your from all sides your flaming mouth is flowing with the fire and all that, covering all the universe with your effulgence, so much of bright and all. You are manifest with terrible scorching rays, and still we'll continue tomorrow. Yeah, this is a very nice chapter. Every chapter has its own beauty. So here, Arjuna is getting bewildered. He asked for it. He asked for it and he's not able to take it up. Okay. Hare Krishna. So we'll end today's session and tomorrow we will take up. Okay. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindubhya cha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo. Anantakoti Vaishnavrinda ki jai. Anantakoti Bhaktavrinda ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Ramacharya Haridas Thakur ki jai. Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki jai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita और श्रीमद भागवत ग्रंथों की जय. श्री राधा गोविंद की जय. अयोध्या श्री राम लल्ला की जय. और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि.
Hari Hari Bo.
Thank you so much.